I'm Tyler Winegarner for Cool Tools, and today I want to talk about coffee. For the past 10 years, I've pretty much made every single cup of coffee I drink using one tool, the AeroPress. The AeroPress is a compact, affordable, and portable tool for making a single cup of coffee, and a really good cup of coffee. There's three main parts to the press. There's the brew chamber, which is where the grounds get steeped and pressurized. There's the basket that twists onto the bottom to hold the filter, and then there's the plunger, which is how the coffee gets pressurized. To make a cup of coffee with the AeroPress, you start by heating up your water and grinding some coffee. Your experience may vary, but I find that I get the best results with a medium coarse grind. Wet the filter and then lock it onto the bottom of the chamber, and then place the chamber onto your mug. Put your grounds into the bottom of the brew chamber. Then fill the rest of the chamber with water, up to the number 4 label on the side. Let the coffee steep for about 30 to 45 seconds while stirring. And then use the plunger to press the coffee down into your mug. You should then have a full mug of coffee. If you don't, then you can top it off with a little bit of hot water. Cleanup is a snap. You just twist off the basket and then press the plunger again to eject the coffee grounds into the trash. Give it a quick rinse and you're done. This might seem like a complicated process for a single cup of coffee, but what I like about it is the ability to control every aspect of the extraction process: water temperature, amount of coffee grounds, and steeping time. And the result is a really satisfying cup of coffee. There's a lot of different ways to use the AeroPress to make coffee. There's the inverted method and plenty of other specific timings. Heck, there's entire competitions based around this thing. I'm hardly a skilled barista, but the simplicity of this method of making coffee makes even advanced brewing techniques seem super accessible. I don't need it for my daily cup, but it's fun to experiment from time to time. The AeroPress has been around for about 15 years and was invented by Alan Adler, who also created the Aerobie flying disc. The current AeroPress is made from polypropylene and should be more chemically inert than its previous polycarbonate cousins. And because all you need to make coffee with it is access to coffee grounds and hot water, it's great for traveling. I've taken the AeroPress both on business and camping trips, and it's wonderful to be able to have your favorite cup of coffee wherever you go. One thing that the AeroPress isn't great at is entertaining. Making several cups with it is laborious and time-consuming. The AeroPress is sold in a kit for around $30, and it comes with everything you'll need, including 250 of the disposable paper filters, and you can easily buy the filters separately if you're running low. You can also get a reusable metal micromesh filter if you're concerned about the paper waste. You can find links for everything you need to get started with the AeroPress down in the description. For more tool recommendations like these, check out cool-tools.org.